They are frustrating people who are genuine landowners by, in some cases, issuing fraudulent title deeds.
Iceera-ini riake kindiki niaugite na maafitha ugitiri matongoretio ni kamishina wa kaunti-ini James Tari kuria augite ati no eguthii na mbere kuhurana na ngucanio cia migunda na kuria maafitha ya gukorwo mutaratara-ini wa mbere hari kurua na turianime turia turenda kwigwatira migunda ino.
Then we also have the problem of people who have encroached the property of other people, private people, and also others who have encroached public land. We are going to flush out all of them, and we will not shy away evicting anybody, and we will not listen to all manner of stories about how long somebody has lived somewhere. How does living somewhere which does not belong to you entitle you to harass property owners? And there are other people pretending they own property here, but the titles they have are fraudulent titles, irregular titles. We also crack down on them.
O hindi iyo kindiki niathiete na mbere gukumithia ciiko cia uhuthiri wa ndawa cia kurebia hamwe na njohi thumu, akiuga ati gukinyiria riu irabu ngiri 9,500 ni cirikitie gukanjirwo marua ma wendia wa njohi kurumirira mugururi uria urathie na mbere guku bururi-ini. Ngiribotera Muthingi TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wanjiru wa Maina.